Hi, I took the 11 Plus Music Aptitude Mastery Class and used the 11 Plus Music Aptitude Maestros App. Both are extremely helpful. The course was well designed, covering all 4 areas: pitch, rhythm, texture, and melody. The teachers, Ashley and Bea, are very friendly, encouraging, knowledgeable, and helpful, which made the sessions enjoyable and engaging. They taught everything through practical listening, which helped me understand the music better rather than just memorizing answers. The biggest help for me was texture, which I found tricky before, but able to break down after the course. I know texture is hard for many children, but they definitely can benefit from this course. They also taught us how to approach the exam with confidence, which made a big difference. The app is great for everyday practice with questions across all 4 areas. It includes streak mode, test mode, and results that are designed like the real exam. The feedback is very useful and helps identify mistakes clearly. I would highly recommend both the course and the app, and of course the best teachers, Ashley and Bea, to anyone planning to take the 11 Plus Music Aptitude Test.